Hello everyone. This application is all about stock picking double approval. In the inventory module, we will be having a delivery receipt and the internal transfer where it will requires a double approval before going into the production. So in the inventory module for all these three, we have given another stage called waiting for approval, and based on the access rights, an approve and a reject button will be seen for that particular user. So he will be able to approve that, and then it will take the inventory standard process, and based on that he can reject the product also. So now I will show how this will be working, and this is for Odoo 17 version. First, we need to go to the settings. In settings, I'll go to the users and I'll select one user. And in the user setting, you can see a stock picking approver. You need to tick this boolean. Once enabling this boolean, we need to go to the inventory model configuration settings. Here you'll be having a section called stock picking double approver. So based on that, you can select the delivery approver and a receipt approval and internal transfer approver. Right now I will show how this delivery approval and receipt approval will be working. So I have ticked this boolean and I will save this configuration. And once this configuration is saved, I'll go to the purchase module and I will create a new purchase order for one of the vendor, and I'll select the product for which one we are taking the purchase order. I'll select the product, quantity, unit price, taxes, everything, and I'll click on confirm order. Once the order is confirmed, you will be able to see a receipt. So clicking on receipt, you will be able to see a new button called approve, and you can see the new stage called waiting approval. So in this stage, who will be having the access can look at the product and they can approve this button. Once that is approved, you can see a validate and a ready state. Clicking on validate, it will move to the done state. So based on that, it will take the standard inventory process. Similarly, if I go to the sales module, I'll create a new sale order for one of the customer, and I'll add a product for which one I'm purchasing that particular product, and I'll click on save. I will add the quantity, unit price, taxes, everything, and I'll just confirm this order. You will be able to see a delivery order where it will be having an approve button and the waiting approval stage. After clicking on approve button, it will move to the ready stage and you will get a validate button. Clicking on validate, you will be getting a done state. So based on this quotation, you will be able to see the delivery order and the receipt order will be having an approve. So if you want to reject any of the orders, then similarly you will be creating another customer and I'll be creating another product with all the details, and I will save and I will confirm the sale order. In the delivery, you will be able to see a reject button. I'll click on reject. So I'll give a reject reason as damaged product. So whatever the reason will be given in the picking reject, if you click on reject, then automatically the stage will move to the rejected state and you can see the reject reason as damaged product. So this will be having the access rights. So once this is done, if I go to the inventory configuration settings, now I will show how this will be working for an inventory transfer. So I'll remove these two and click on internal transfer approval, and I will save this configuration. And once that is done, if I go to the operation and internal, you will be able to see another approve button will be there, and the waiting for approval stage will be there. So similarly, I'll add one of the product and I will add the source location as partner customer, and I'll add a destination location as a WH stock. And if source document you can present and schedule date is there you can give. I will add a product for which I am purchasing. So I will add a storage box and I'll click on one and I will save this. So once this internal transfer is approved, then only it will show us the validate button. I'll mark as to do and it will show a validate button. Clicking on validate, this will be moving to the done state. So this is the double approval process for the stock picking for the delivery, receipt and internal transfer. If you have any question, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.